All right, guys, what is cha-cha? So cha-cha is a very fast dance. It's traditionally danced to Latin music, but you can also dance it to a lot of popular upbeat fast music as well. It's a little more advanced. There's a little more steps, and it's a little faster in the beginning. So it's definitely a dance that you want to learn maybe when you're a little bit farther into your dancing journey, maybe after you've learned salsa so you understand rock steps, and maybe bachata so you understand a chassé, something like this. But it's definitely a fun upbeat dance to have in your knowledge.
Cha-cha is the perfect fusion between salsa, merengue, even hustle in terms of the music that you can dance to. Cha-cha is an amazing combination of all those different dances. Definitely more advanced, like you just said. A lot of Latin motion can be in there, but we use this a ton when we go out dancing at parties and whatnot because the options are really, really great.
Cha-cha is a great dance to kind of burn some calories, have some fun, feel sassy and flirty, and just dance and have a good time. And if you want to learn some of these moves, we have a free syllabus up for you for the cha-cha down below. And if you want to learn some more intricate dance moves in the cha-cha, we also have that up for you on our website. I'm also going to link that down below for you. So have fun dancing the cha-cha. Bye.